Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about India's agriculture. First we have to learn about soils. There are many natural resources available in India. One of the most important resource is soil. Soil is important for agriculture and human activities. So we have to learn about soils and different types of soils. What are the soils? Everything we have to learn in this lesson.
Soils. Soil is the uppermost layer of land surface, usually composed of minerals, organic matter, living organism, air and water. Grains in the soil are three categories, namely clay, silt and sand. Soil are generally formed by the weathering of rocks under different conditions. Some soils are formed by the deposition of agents of denudations. Soil can vary greatly from one region to another. Now we have to learn about the types of soil. The Indian Council of Agriculture Research, set up in 1953, divides the soil of India into the following 8 major groups. First one is alluvial soil, second one is black soil, third one is red soil, fourth one is laterite soil, fifth one is forest and mountain soil, sixth one is arid and desert soil. Seventh one is saline and alkaline soil. Eighth one is peaty and marshy soil. Today we are going to learn about 6 major soils. First one is alluvial soil. Light colored, more siliceous. Bungar, the old alluvium composed of lime nodules and has clayey composition. It is dark in color. Formation. Sediments deposited by streams and rivers when they slowly lose. What are the chemical properties in alluvial soil? Rich in potash, phosphoric acid, lime, carbon compounds but poor in nitrogen. Nature. Sandy, loam, silt and clay. Profile show no marked differentiation. Now distribution. Ganga, Brahmaputra river valleys, plains of Uttar Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Punjab, Haryana, West Bengal, Bihar and river mouth of East Coast. What are the crops growing in alluvial soil? Rice, wheat, sugarcane and oil seeds. Next we have to learn about black soil. Formation. Derived from basalts of Deccan Trap. Color. Black in color due to the presence of titanium iron. Chemical properties consist of calcium and magnesium carbonates, high quantities of iron, aluminium, lime and magnesia. Rich in potash, lime, aluminium, calcium and magnesium, poor in nitrogen, phosphoric acid and humus. Nature. Sticky when wet, high degree of moisture retentivity. Distribution. Maharashtra, Malwa Plateau, Kathiawar Peninsula, Telangana and Rayalaseema regions of Andhra Pradesh and northern part of Karnataka. Crops growing. Cotton, millets, tobacco and sugarcane. Next important crops is red soil. Formation. Decomposition of ancient crystalline rocks like granites and gneisses and form rock type. Chemical properties. Rich in minerals such as iron and magnesium. Deficient in nitrogen, humus, phosphoric acid and lime. Nature, light texture, porous variable presence of limited soluble salts, clay fraction of the red soil generally consists of minerals. Next one is distribution. Eastern parts of Deccan Plateau, southern states of Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Chota Nagpur Plateau. Crops growing: wheat, rice, cotton, sugarcane and pulses. Next one is laterite soil. Formation: formed in this region where alternate wet and hot dry condition provide. It is formed by the process of leaching. Chemical properties: composed of mainly by hydrated oxides of iron and aluminium. Nature: more acidic on higher areas, poor in high level, cannot retain moisture, while plains that consist of heavy loam and clay and easily retain moisture. Distribution: Assam Hills, hill summits of Kerala and Karnataka and Eastern Ghats and regions of Odisha. Crops growing: coffee, rubber, cashew nut and tobacco. Now we have to learn about mountain soil. Differ from region to region depending on climate. Formation: due to mechanical weathering caused by snow, rain, temperature variation. Chemical properties are deficient in potash, phosphorus and lime. Nature: light, sandy, thin and found with the pieces of rock. Their character changes with the parent rock. Very rich in humus. Slow decomposition makes it acidic. Distribution: coniferous forests, belts of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Eastern and Western Ghats. Crops growing: coffee, tea, rice, maize, potato, barley, tropical fruits and various type of spices. Next one is desert soil. Formation: due to the prevalence of the dry climate, high temperature and accelerated evaporation, the soil is dry. It also lacks of humus content due to the absence of vegetative cover. Chemical properties: contain heavy percentage of soluble salts, alkaline with varying degree of calcium carbonate and are poor in organic matter, rich enough in phosphate though poor in nitrogen. Nature: light in color, low humus, friable structure, low in moisture. Distribution: Rajasthan, northern Gujarat and southern Punjab. Crop growing: millets, barley, cotton, maize and pulses with irrigation. Next one is saline soil. Formation: formed due to ill drainage which causes waterlogging, injurious salts are transferred from subsurface to topsoil by the capillary action. It causes the salination of soils. Chemical properties: liberate sodium, magnesium and calcium salts and sulfurous acid. Nature: consists of an excess of sodium salts and mineral fragments which are weathering. Distribution: Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka in the drier parts of Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan and Maharashtra. Crops growing: crops do not grow because of excess salination of soils. Next, last one is marshy soil. Formation formed in humid region from the organic matter. It is found in the areas of heavy rainfall and heavy humidity. Peaty soil are black, heavy and highly acidic. Chemical properties: deficient in potash and phosphate. Nature: containing considerable amount of soluble salts and 10 to 40% of organic matter and high proportion of vegetable matter. Distribution: Kottayam, Alappuzha district of Kerala and coastal areas of Odisha and Tamil Nadu, Sundarbans of West Bengal in Bihar and Almora district of Uttarakhand. Cross growing: paddy and jute. Thank you, students.